latte. She got it also vanilla latte. Grace got peppermint tea and Melanie did too. She's outside somewhere having an interview. How do you feel?
Excited.
Excited. Yay! This, okay. Salmon hash. 8 eggs. Yum. Game night with a little dessert. We're playing YOUUUU. Dad's sad because I humbled the fuck out of him. Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. It's currently Monday and behind me I'm just making some breakfast burritos. I was really craving them, but I'm feeling really good. It's not that nice out today weather-wise, but I'm really excited. I have to film a couple things for a couple brands and respond to a bunch of emails. And I got a really exciting email last week, so I'm pretty excited about that. I can't wait for that. And all I have to say is, like, your manifestations are real. Like, believe in yourself. You got this. If you want something, work for it and believe that you deserve it and believe that you're gonna get it. Eat breakfast and then I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day. And describe the smells that are coming from this right now. One thing about me, I know how to cook. And I really know how to cook breakfast. Well, yeah, I said I was gonna update. I'm updating. So I am making matcha. I'm gonna put ice in here. If anyone wants to buy me an ice maker, I'll miss you that on the list. I feel like you literally can't have enough ice, but this is a really jar, so I'm only gonna fill half half. I'm using this matcha green tea mix from Trader Joe's. The sucky thing is I don't have any vanilla sweetener, but my oat milk is sweetened with vanilla, so I'm just gonna make this matcha. Okay, I just sifted it through here. So good. You guys, this is why you romanticize everything. This is my breakfast burrito. So I just ate all my breakfast and now I need to take my vitamins. So I thought I'd show what I take. I don't know why. So first I take vitamin D because my body is like dangerously low on producing it on its own. I'm gonna take one a day. And then I take these Ray in the Mood pills. I don't know why, I just really like these, but they help me with my stress and anxiety so much. One of the main ingredients is ashwagandha, so I've been taking ashwagandha for a long time and I always liked taking it, but I didn't love taking it until I started taking these because I just feel like I actually can feel the effect that this has on me. So I take 2 of these and they have like this minty taste to them and I love it. I don't know why, like I can just feel it going down my throat and I love it. This is how I keep my anxiety a little bit down, a little bit. That's what I take every morning. So here is my makeup look for the day. I literally have so many gems in my eyebrows and I need it off right now. Let's get his reaction to my eyebrows.
Hi, Linky. Ooh. Damn, bro.
Okay, this stuff is my best friend. Look at ASMR. Luckily, I glued down my actual hairs because I knew this was gonna hurt like a son of a bitch. Finally got the car back, but that means we get all this random shit. Gas station haul.
Gas station haul.
Food haul. More gas station and more food. Main vlog. I almost had the most identical morning this morning as I did yesterday. I don't know if that means sense. I made breakfast and then I made a matcha the green is so much better on this one. I don't know if you can tell. Yesterday's was like a trial error because I haven't got matcha in a while, so like making it was definitely interesting. But it is Tuesday today. My dog in the background. I didn't update the vlog last night because so many things happened and they were unfortunately all negative things, so I didn't want to put down a vlog. But our freaking basement flooded, so that's fun. Like below our sink also flooded, so like the whole cabinet was soaking wet, so it's been like airing out all night. We were just over it last night. We tried to make dinner. The dinner wasn't defrosted, so like we had to go get food. It was just a whole ongoing scenario, but it is a new day. We're here, we're doing good. Now I have to go upstairs. I have to edit my videos from yesterday and post and everything, and then makeup. Hi vlog. I don't know if I've vlogged anything at all today, but I am about to make dinner. Trevor is at, I believe it's a jiu-jitsu class, which is really cool. He's always wanted to do it, and I'm really happy for him that he finally did it. So he has like 20 more minutes left, and I want dinner to be close to being done by the time he gets home because I know he's a hungry boy. Hungry boy. So tonight we're making crispy pesto chicken and smashed potatoes. Not mashed, not boiled, smashed. Just get a pot of butter. Sometimes chicken do be giving me the ick. That bad boy over there. So I just mixed together mozzarella cheese, panko, melted butter, olive oil, and extra seasoning. On the chicken, I sliced every breast in half so they're not like thick at all. And then pat dry it with paper towel and then use whatever seasoning you like. I did like salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, chipotle, everything like that. And this is my favorite one. It's from Trader Joe's, the vegan kale cashew and basil pesto. It's so good. Like I love pesto and I've had so many different kinds of pesto. This one, it just takes the cake for me. Put a little bit of pesto on every chicken. Take the mixture and scoop on, and you have to like press it in to the chicken. And then the last step is to sprinkle paprika on those. With the water, I'm using these Little Potato Company potatoes. They're just the really small, colorful ones. I don't know why. I really like these for making smashed potatoes. You want to boil them in really salty water. Right, let's quiz each other and see if we can guess each other's terms, right? So I'm gonna say a term, and you're gonna try to tell me as close as you can to what that term means or is.
Oh, like, okay, I got
And
you.
we're gonna try to see if the other one knows it.
Okay.
Do you know what a soap brow is?
No clue.
What would be your best?
You put soap on your brow. Literally no clue. Like, no one clue.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, you do put soap in your brow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, we just went over this one, so he'll know it, but a laminated brow. This is what made us start talking about this.
Is it glued down?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What does it mean if you block your brow?
Is that when you cut it off underneath?
Mm-mm.
No. I have no idea.
Completely cover it so that you would do a layer of glue and then powder and then another layer of glue and then more powder, and I say at least 3, so then another layer of glue and more powder, but you have to wait in between every single one of those layers because it can't be tacky at all.
Has to dry.
Yeah, completely dry. And when you do that, then you can lay concealer or foundation over it and you'll have no brow hair. You won't even be able to see it.
Damn. We use a lot of different terms at work, right? So a 6, you hear me say that before. A 6, you know what a 6 is?
I have no idea.
Yes, you don't.
No,
man.
I
told
don't.
you.
Use it in context.
Hey, will you grab my 6 for me?
Bucket?
No.
Ruler?
No. I'm gonna
I
show you
have
a
no
picture.
idea. Is this how you feel about my makeup stuff?
Yes, exactly.
You have no idea? Like, not even one
like
thought
not one
comes?
fucking clue. This is a 6, right?
What?
This is a 6.
Is it because it's 6 inches?
Yeah, it's 6 inches. We just call it 6.
I would have
right?
never guessed
Like,
that.
oh, orange peel. You know what orange peel is? You have no idea.
You've told me about it so many times.
Bro.
Oh my god, this is how you feel when I talk about it.
Yes, literally. Yes. See, now you understand.
Baby. it to our late start, so made him breakfast. We got some coffee. A little update to today's vlog. My dad left this morning, and I don't know if you can tell, my house is just a mess. Like, it's a complete mess. So I really need to clean it, and Trevor said that he would help me tonight after work, but it's 9. I woke up early today. I figured I should just clean it while he's gone, and that way him and I both can just relax tonight and it'll be a good night. So let's get to some cleaning. On the house, there's the dogs completely clean in there. I even cleaned the floors and everything. Here's in here, I was letting this plant, because it's like really dead, trying to get some sunlight in here. It was sunny, it's not anymore. All in here is like super clean. Now I'm just making, I'm making some lunch, which is just the dinner we had last night, and it was 10 out of 10. It was so good. Hi vlog, I just wanted to give a little update. Here's my TikTok right here. Wow, I'm on Trevor's phone. The camera quality is trash, but it's 2:57. I'm posting my video at 3, and it is my entry for the James Charles campaign. If you don't know what the James Charles campaign is, he's basically flying 10 makeup artists out to LA for the launch of his new brand. And all you have to do to enter is basically film a video saying what your name is, where you live, and what your favorite makeup memory is. So I did that, but little did I know you're supposed to stitch his TikTok video, and I'm fucking dumb and I didn't read that. So I filmed a whole ass video, and it's a good video, and I edited it and everything. And I realized you can't add that to a stitch video. So I don't know if that, like, if he'll accept that or not, but it's honestly too good of a video to not try, right? That's my whole thing. It's like, why not try? What's the worst? What's the worst thing that can happen? We'll see. So I want to film this moment because maybe I don't get chosen, but maybe I fucking do, and we can all go back to this moment and watch me before it all started. And I've been feeling something because March, this new air, I don't know what it is. It's just it's good vibes. A lot of things have already happened to me in March, and it's only like the 3rd day in. Yeah, it's literally March 3rd. Nikki Tutorials commented on my freaking Instagram video. What? Basically put on my sister's hoodie for this makeup look. Literally just posted it. Taco Wednesday.
This literally gives me Mexico vibes, bro.
Also trying Diablo. God damn it. It's a screen recording.
Oh,
I must stop all.
Another year by year.
Update, you guys. James Charles commented on my video. I woke up and my video was at 40,000 views, which is pretty crazy. He commented on my video. He said obsessed with you, and his stylist commented 3 times. 3 times. What are the odds we're going to LA soon?
Like 10 out of 10, 100%.
I think everyone thinks that too. Like, everyone around us thinks that.
What are the odds we're going to get coffee here soon? If it's a celebration.
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
But I'm still gonna wake up on you.
Hey, we're going to go get coffee. The James Charles commented on her shit.
James Charles.
James, if you're watching this YouTube video, that means Jay's already in LA with you. And you guys are party hardy. Hopefully I'll be there too. My fingers are extended. I'm like a Wolverine, bro.
Morning. Could we do a white chocolate tomahawk? Could you just surprise me with any iced coffee that you like? I'll do a 20 ounce. Yeah. Hey, I got the pot of gold.
Pot of gold, and I got the tomahawk.
Which way should I go, right?
Right.
I'm kind of pointing right, even though left is more of a straight shot. All right. This is our lunch. Inside.
Ooh, wow, that looks so good.
Honest taste test.
Mmm. Kind of like a Subway sandwich.
A lot of flavor.
Mm-hmm. You ready, Amber?
Okay, what are we doing?
That's out.
Which one do you want? Big one or small one?
Okay, grab the hammer.
Be careful you don't hit your face with it, okay?
As hard as you can. It might be here. No.
Nice.
Oh.
Requires some force. Whoa! Look at, they're so shiny.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Cute. Oh, you're so cute.
This one.
I have a little baby.
And then I'm looking at him. She changed out all the handles.
You're looking at your big girl room for the first time ever?
Mommy painted flowers and Daddy painted the back? Yeah. The bluey ones. All your bluey ones.
Do you love your new room?
Grow and change. You're getting big and tall.
You love Uncle Trev, Nellie? You love Uncle Trev?